Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to do another half section today. I'll do the model and the drawing, so let's get started. But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products. We're making a part, of course. And I'm going to make this sketch on the front plane, and I'll make a circle. I'll center it on the origin, and I'll make another circle, center it on the origin as well. And then I'll dimension them. Let's see here. Dimension that. All right, now, oops, I don't think that's right. There we go. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little different this time. I'm going to do a midplane extrusion, and I'm going to put this guy in there. Midplane extrusion, I'll hit OK. And then we're going to make a new sketch. We're going to grab this front plane again. I don't really like to necessarily do that, but I want to in this case because I'm going to just mirror it to the other side. And so I'll make another circle, centered on the origin yet again. It's going to be somewhere in there, and I'll make another one. And it's going to be somewhere like that. All right, now smart dimension. That's a little big. And I'll smart dimension that. Okay, so that's about right. So I will go to features, extrude boss space, and we'll extrude that guy out. I don't want to go that far. So I'll extrude it out there. And there it is, mostly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a, where'd it go, mirror. What the mirror does is it's going to mirror around the front plane in this case. So notice I click on the triangle by my part, go to front plane, and that's, when this is blue, that's the face you're going to mirror around. Oops, put the face there. And then this is what I'm extruding, which is boss extrude 2. And I can get rid of that and see it again. And notice that it goes over there to the other side. If you needed to extrude faces instead, you could do that. But most of the time we're going to do the features. Well, for a while anyway. Then I'll hit OK. And there it is. There's my drawing, or my model. So I will save it up. Save. And this guy is 9-49F. And then I'm going to make a drawing from the part. And we're going to make a half section. Again, we want this to be ANSI landscape A, ANSI A landscape. And I will bring it in again. All drawings, model view, hit the next button. I only want the front view, so I'll click on that. I want to make sure I have hidden lines. And then I'll use the sheet scale, which is there. Okay, once I do that, I'll bring it in. And I'll put it on the right side like I did last one. And there it is. Hit the check. Now, if this wasn't the right size and you want to change that, you can always go to sheet format 1 and go to properties. And this scale, it says 1:1. This is a colon, so this is like a fraction. So if I want it to be 1/2 scale, I could change that to 1/2. So 1/2. And if I apply changes, that makes it half scale. It's a little bit small on this one. I could also, oops, wrong one. I could also change it to be 2:1 if I thought it was too small. And that's how big is on the paper to how big is in real size. Hit that. And again, that's too big. But let's go back to 1:1. So the left side is what it is on the page, and the right side is what it is in real life. Okay? Is that right? Real life page. Yes. No, sorry. Real life's on the right. What is on the page is on the left. All right. 1/2. One is on the page. 2 in the left. Okay. So there we have it. I'm going to do my section view. And again, I'm going to do a half section. And I will go left that one there and click the center. Bring this guy over here. And then all I need to do is bring in my annotations, model items, entire model. Okay. And again, I'll just drag these dimensions up, get them out of there a little better. Drag the endpoints up. Oops, it's dragging that for some reason. Drag the endpoint up. Oh, it's not even grabbing the endpoint. There we go. Drag the endpoint up. Drag the endpoint up. Grab the points. The dimensions I'm not going to say because I'm going to leave that out. There we go. And I'll drag these guys over to the other view with holding the Control key down. Drag it over here. Click on dimension, liters, diameter. Put that in a much better location. And then do it over here. Control key, drag over. Click on it. Hit the liter, diameter. Put it in a better location. Click on it, hold the control key, click on it, drag it over, click on it again, liters, diameter, put in a better location. Oops, it's the same one. Darn. Throw that one here then. Click, hold the control key, click. I just click it twice, one to make sure I know which one it is. Click that, liters, diameter, and put in a better location. Can get rid of it over here. And the last one, hold control key, click, drag it over, click on it over here, liters, diameter, drag it in a better location. There we go, that's much better. Okay, get rid of it over there. And there we have it. I have all the dimensions I need. Let's change that 0.25 out there, the dimension I was going to tell you, out there. And there we have it. Let's click on this, right-click sheet, edit sheet format, put in all the good stuff here. Nope, that's not what I want. I just hit escape, get out of there. Oh, come on. I'll zoom in, I guess. Name, double-click. Name, double-click on the date. Double-click on the title. Oops, didn't get that. Oh, I guess I did. 9-49F. And of course, put my design firm name in here. If I could spell. There we have it. All right, then I can begin with that. Right click on sheet format, go back to edit sheet, zoom back out so I can see everything. Make sure I save it, of course. And let's save all there. I'll give it that name, which is good. And then of course I want to do a save as, oops, save as, I'll save as a PDF. There we got it. There we go. There's our third of four half section drawings and models. Again, you make the drawing full size and then a half section. You're going to cut out this quarter of our model so we can see what it looks like on the inside. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.